So what you'll do first is you'll make sure that you have the media selected, and you'll drag your pictures into the media area, and then you will drag your movie into the media area, and next you would want to drag in your music. And it takes an M4A. So now that I have the media, I'm going to go ahead and drag it onto the timeline and make it a little bit smaller.
Yes.
And I'm going to have to size it so it takes the whole shape. And next I'm going to add another picture. And I'm going to bring the over, and now I'm going to size this picture and make it as big as the shape of my frame. And next I'm going to add my last picture. I'm going to give it a little bit of room and add the video next. Video has words in it. And I drag that along. So let's just make sure the video is the right size. We're going to have to increase this size to fill the area. And now we're just going to check how that goes. You can see how much time this is taking. And then it switches. And now it's going to go to the video.
In our current lifestyle, it is not hard.
Okay, and next I'd like to show you the transitions. If you'd like to use a transition, that's how it will be. Let's just see how that looks. Transitions into the next one. If you wanted to add the music in now, I'm going to go back to media and add the music in. It's going to go here, and I will need to cut it off, so I'm going to just cut it off right here. That was Command T as a shortcut, and I'm going to get rid of that. And in order to change the volume, go over and reduce the volume like so. And I'll show you how that sounds. Let's see, I'm going to have to cut out the very front part. And drag it over. And let's show you how that works.
Let's get the same people in here so
Okay.
we can actually work and the rest of the team. As you would expect that we
I'm going to go
can
ahead and cut that and make this part a little bit louder since it's not competing with the talking. And I'm going to bring it over here. And now we're going to make this soft, and this is going to go back to louder. So when I highlight it, then I'm able to make the change. Next thing to show you is adding some words. I'm going to go and drag this down onto the timeline. Here it is. Make it bigger
I guess you can't see those others.
by increasing the size to its maximum.
Why don't we try it?
Center it, and I could add effects to it, rotate in, slide out. Can make it a different color, and those are the basics. Once I'm all finished and I like how it's looking, I would go up to Share, and I can export it as a .mov, or I can go straight to YouTube, and it will convert it into a YouTube link for me.